Hello. Mic testing 1 2 3. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the new video. Today we're doing something exciting, not gameplay, not anything, not review, not anything at all. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and a review video of what do you think? Okay, this is big. Oh, sorry. Amazon. This is big. See? You guys wanna see what's inside? So let's get right into the unboxing part. First, let's open up our stand. I'm so excited. So excited. Let's see. And the fuck. Woo. Nice. And this is our stand. See? And this is the stand. Ooh, nice. Quality is good. Okay. Side me. You stay here. Now it's time for our mic. See? You can see, right? Fifine A6V. Okay, let's go. Some guidebooks, which I don't need. Oh, and here. Nice. Look at the product. I don't know what this is. A little bit dent. Okay. And can you guys see the smiley? And oh, I have a stand too. Dedicated stand. delicate stand, see, and cut. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, how do you? What the fuck? How do I connect it? Oh, here. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, easy. See? Nice. Yep. Okay, now you saw the unboxing part. Now let's do the mic test. And of course, this is the mic I'm currently using is this one, which you're listening to my voice. And how's the mic quality? Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, tu janena. Okay. If you guys are first in my channel, or first in my channel, or you don't know me, I make gameplay, Mobile Legend gameplay videos and live stream. This is just an unboxing and review video of this mic since I just bought it. If you're first, leave subscribe, like the video, and comment too. And if you just with this mic, if you want to mute, you just have to tap here. Now you just tap it, in RGB is on, then you are on mute. Hello, mic testing. So that's it for today, I guess. That's it for the video. And if you want, you can use it on your laptop, tablet, mobile, and everything, all the devices. It even has an RGB light, which it changes colors automatically. And yeah, you just have to talk in front of this smiley face. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. That's how it works. So yeah, if you're planning to buy the mic, then it looks good. I mean, this is my first mic too, so you can go for it. I'll drop the link in the description to check it out. Bye bye. Carry out.